Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send Bitcoin faster on your Coinbase mobile app, step by step. Our first step being that you actually do possess some Bitcoin to send. As you can see here, I possess $1 worth of Bitcoin. It's small, but it can get the job done. So if you scroll down, you see the Bitcoin we possess, $1. So you're simply going to click on send. And upon clicking on send, you're taken to the menu where you select the assets you want to send. That's Bitcoin. And we're taken to where we can input a Bitcoin address. So let's say we want to send Bitcoin from our Coinbase to our Binance. Okay, guys, and with Binance opened up, you simply click on deposit, click on Bitcoin network, copy this wallet address, minimize, and head back to the Coinbase mobile. And you paste the wallet address you just copied, and boom, you click on continue, and you're taken to the menu where you can send your Bitcoin. So you simply click on the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Once you've entered the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, you click on preview order, and you simply send your Bitcoin with the estimated given time. The reason your Bitcoin would go a bit slower or would take more time to be processed is if your account hasn't been verified. So you simply get your verification done. Once you receive the verification email as shown here, once you receive the verification email, you would be entitled to quicker transactions on the Bitcoin network. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can send Bitcoin faster on your Coinbase mobile app, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.